friends, welcome to my channel. This is Sabina here. If you are new here, welcome. If you have not subscribed to my channel, then make sure you do subscribe to my channel and be a part of my YouTube family. I really appreciate all your love and support. And let's get into the video. This is my first luxury items for 2020 and I am so excited to share with you what I got for my first luxuries items for 2020. Oh my gosh, I can't even believe that how excited I am. And let me show you what I got. Are you guys ready? I got something from Chanel and I'm so excited. I already unboxed these items because I did filmed before, and when I tried to edit my video, the video quality was really bad because of the lighting, and the product that I was trying to show you was so bright and you couldn't even see the color or anything, so I have to refilm this video. So that's the reason this is already unboxed, and I was trying to repack everything, but it doesn't look that how it was the fresh coming from the store. So anyways, it's still new, I have not used it, so it's in the box. So here's the bag. I love this bag, and here is the ribbon that I already opened it. It comes in this big black box that is also magnetic closer like this. I love it. And are you guys ready to see what I got? The item is inside this bag, dust bag. This is my cocoa handle bag. I am so excited for this bag, and this is so beautiful. Look at this. I decided to go with the beige with burgundy handle. The reason for that is that I'm always so worried about my bag gets dirty and hand oil, hand cream stick in this handle. So when it's burgundy color, you can see, and I don't feel like it's get dirty, right? So that's the reason also I decided to go in the beige color. I waited so long to get this bag. Every time I tried to go to buy a Chanel bag, I did not find the one that I wanted. So finally, 2 weeks ago, I bought this bag, and I was so happy. They have only this piece, and they had this color, and they have some other beautiful colors like a big blue, pink, fuchsia pink, and red, all the beautiful color. But I do not want to buy any other color bag because this is my first cocoa handle, and I want something the neutral color like black or this. And if you guys have been watching my video, then you know that I have all my bags are black. It was hard for me to go in this color. I almost get the black trendy CC, but I told myself, like, Sabina, you need to get out of that black color and you need to start adding some more colors into your collection. So that's the reason I decided to go with beige. And still, this is a beautiful color. It goes with everything, and it's just a very, very versatile bag. Here it comes with this quilted caviar leather. I love the caviar leather because it's very strong and sturdy, so it won't scratch easily. That's also the good part. And it's of course the quilted, and I love the hardware. It's the beige and this gold hardware is quite contrast and beautiful. I love that. And it has this a shoulder strap. It's like not very long but not very short. For me, it's perfect size because I'm not very a tall person, so it's just perfectly goes crossbody. And this one is detachable. You can take this out and you can just carry like this if you are going night out and you don't want to have your strap that you can detach, and you can just hand carry like this. I just feel like this, if you can carry like this bag is just beautiful. I love this. And you can attach very easily. This is how it looks like this from the side. And this has this 4 feet. I like about the 4 feet too, because some bag doesn't have those feet, and when you try to rest your bag, it's kind of like flip down, but when you have a leg like this, it's still like this. So I like about that too. This is the back of the bag. Here is the pocket, and I don't think so I'm going to use this pocket that much because this is not very big. This bag comes in 3 different sizes: mini, small, and medium or large. something, but it comes in 3 different sizes. Mini was not that smaller than this, and price was not much different either compared to mini and small. I decided to go with small because the size of the bag is perfect and it fits so many things here. And this bag is just so versatile. You can carry, you can go out and run errands and fit things, or you can go dinner with this. It's like, you know, holder bag, like such a beautiful versatile bag. So you can open this bag. There's a CC and there's a little knob. You can just twist this one here and you can open it. And here is the inside of the bag. You can fit really a lot of stuff. I don't try to carry too many things in my bag, so this is a perfect size for me. I don't need like a big bag. Like, I don't try to put too many things in my bag. I don't know, some reason I just carry my wallet and what else, my Invisalign. I'm still doing my Invisalign, so I just need an Invisalign box, and my wallet and my car key and my little, like, maybe lipstick or some medicine, like if I get headache or so, like that. That's it. I don't try to carry too many things in my bag anyway. So this is a perfect size for me. And it has like a 2 compartment here, back here, and here is the front here. All the way back here there is a chain, and they have this Chanel authenticity card. I think I'll just keep it right inside there because I don't think so I need to use that back there. So I'll just close the chain, and there's another chain in the middle. If you have some coins or something, you can always put it right there. And then there is a little pocket for your lipstick right here. So that's how it looks inside, and you can close it. And very beautiful bag. I almost bought the Trendy CC. My husband and the sales associate thinks that this bag looks much better for my height, my type, than Trendy CC. But I will buy Trendy CC too. That's in my wish list too. I want that Trendy CC so bad, but I don't know what color. Maybe black, or I don't know. I need to look and see what color I want, but I want that bag for sure. So this is my new bag, and I'm so excited and happy that this bag added to my collection. And yeah, that's all about the bag. I might say more than this because I've not used this bag yet, so I don't know how much I'm gonna love this bag. So I don't know. So let's see, if a few months of using, maybe I can come back and give the review of the bag, that how functionality is this bag, and I really like it or I don't like it. So we'll see, but can't wait to use this bag. In fact, I might use this bag today. Here is my new Chanel Coco handle bag. This bag added to my collection. This year, my goal is just not to buy too many items because I just feel like it's just a waste of money, and I don't want to buy and just keep in my closet. And some of the things that in my closet are just right there and I don't even use it, and I just feel like it's just a waste of money. So this year my goal is not just to buy many items. I will just buy the things I really want, because I don't want to be influenced from the Instagram and, like, you know, all this, like, in Pinterest and all the YouTubers that they keep buying the things, and I don't want to make myself to pressure like that. I have to buy all the time. So I never did that. Like, you know, I always reuse my clothes and things, but sometimes, like, you know, when you see something that you feel like I want that, but this year I'm not gonna do that. Let's see. So so far I am doing so good. This was in my wish list for a long time, and I waited for a long time because I did not find the color I really wanted. So when I saw this, I was so excited because I waited for so long time. So anyways, this is my bag, and that's all for today's video. If you like this video, then make sure you do thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel and be a part of my family. I would really appreciate all your love, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a wonderful week. I love you guys.